Hello everyone, myself Bhumi Patel, Assistant Professor at LG Institute of Engineering and Technology in Department of Electronics and Communication. Today we will discuss about the types of control valve, unit number 4, control valves. So, first of all, we have studied in the last session what is the control valve, definition of the control valve. Here you can see that this is the control valve diagram. Whenever the steam position is open, that means here you can see that this is the stem of the control valve. When it is upward side, the flow going through to the input from the input to the output. So what is the control valve? A control valve is the most commonly used final control elements used to regulate fluid flow in a process. So this is a device used to modulate flow of process fluid in a pipelines by creating a variable area in the flow path. So this is the definition of control valve. Now today we will discuss about the classification of control valve. We have different types of control valve depending upon their working, their principle and application of the control valve. So control valve classify mainly a linear motion and a rotary motion. The stem position is in the linear motion. This type of control valve is known as the linear motion, and if it is in the rotation motion, the valve is known as the rotary motion control valve. So in the linear motion we have studied the three types of valve: globe valve, diaphragm valve and gate valve. And for the globe valve, again the sub part of the globe valve is globe valve for the single port globe valve and double port globe valve. In the special requirement, globe valve is classified in the angle valve, and the third subtype of globe valve is three-way globe valve. Same like in the rotary motion, control valve is classified into three types: ball valve, butterfly valve and disc valve. So this is the general classification of control valve. Now next one is control valve classified by their type. Okay, so generally control valve classified into three types: multi-turn, quarter turn and self-actuator. So gate valve, globe valve, pinch valve, needle valve and diaphragm valve is the type of the multi-turn, because in this valve we can in the rotation motion, so valve can be rotated in the multi-turn area. So the type of the multi-turn valve is here. Now the next type is quarter turn. So ball valve, butterfly valve and plug valve is in the quarter turn type control valve, because in the ball valve the valve is moved from 0 to 90 degree or 90 to 180 degree or 180 to 270 degree or 270 to 360 degree. So ball valve, in butterfly valve and in plug valve it is the type of the quarter turn control valve. And the next type is self-actuated. The check valve and relief valve will be self-actuated. There is no need for the turn or the multi-turn. So this type of valve is classified in the self-actuated. So today we are discuss about the different types of globe valve. So in the globe valve, mainly globe valve classified into three types. First type is single port valve. The second type is double port valve. The third type of globe valve is three-way valve. So this is the basic type of the globe valve. Now in industry, some special requirement of globe valve is generated. So for that, a special type of globe valve is here. The first one is angle valves and the second one is split valve. So the angle valve and the split valve are generally used for the special requirement of the globe valve. Depending upon the which type of system use and which type of instrument we can use for the particular system, the requirement of the special type angle valve or split valve is generated. Here the single port valve, double port valve and three-way valve are the common type of the globe valve. So we can explain the one by one valve. So first valve is single seated globe valve. Now in the single seated globe valve are one form of the globe valve that are very common and quite simple in design. Because in the single seated valve we can use only one input and one output. So construction of the single seated valve is very simple. So it is very commonly used globe valve. Now provide good shut-off capacity. Single seated valve are provide good shut-off capacity. So we can easily shut down the input or the output of the system whenever we can connect the single seated globe valve. Now the maintenance of the single seated globe valve is less because the design and construction of the single seated valve is simple, so the maintenance requirement is less. Now the next one is greater range of flow characteristic produced. Using single seated valve, we can produce the great range of flow characteristic. Now the vibration of the globe valve is less. Here the diagram of the single seated valve. Now the size of the single seated valve are generally 1.5 inch or to 16 inch higher size available on request, but in the different field or instrument the size of the single seated globe valve is vary. Now where the single seated globe valve is used, so to control large range of process parameter, especially for oil and gas production, power generation, chemical, petrochemical, fertilizer, pharmaceuticals, processed food and other process industry where the single seated valve is used. So it is specially used for oil and gas production. Okay. Now this is the flow of single seated valve. Here you can see that actuator is connected. Between the actuator and bonnet, one seal is connected. It is the valve body, it is the valve plug, and this is the fluid flow pressure P1, and this is the pressure P2. So whenever actuator move upside, means valve plug is in the open connection, the pressure is going from P1 to P2 and we can measure the differential pressure delta P. Now the valve plug and valve seat initially connected. That type of valve condition is the air to close connection. Air to close connection, and in the air to close connection no pressure flow during the valve. And the next position, when the valve seat and valve plug is not in the connection, this position is known as the air to open position. We have studied in the last session what is air to close, what is air to open. So whenever the valve plug is air to open position, pressure, input pressure go through the output. So this is the flow diagram for single seated two port globe valve. Whenever the actuator move up and downside, the pressure difference is generated. Now the next one is the features of the single seated valve. So capacity of the flow in the single seated valve is high and gain of the system is also high. It is a high power actuator and field reversible. Now streamlined flow passage and excellent flow control rangeability. Now what is the rangeability? It is the ratio of CV max upon CV minimum. So for the single seated valve, the rangeability of the flow is excellent. Now always the single seated valve is used for the tight shut off application. And high rangeability using low flow trims. If the flow in the input side is low, that time also we can get the high rangeability in the single seated valve. Here you can see that this is the actuator, this is the valve body, this is the stem, this is bonnet, here the seal is provided, this is the plug, this is the seat of the valve. So this is the basic construction of single seated valve. Now in the single seated valve, again it is the large variety of trim design varying from counter trim to single stage ported and multi-stage low noise anti-cavitation trim. Here we can use a different type of trim design or the stem design for the single seated valve. Now it can be supplied with the wide range of interchangeable trim size. And the characteristic of the single seated valve is equal percentage, linear and quick opening. Now what is the characteristic in the valve body? So in the linear, whatever input is given in proportional we can get the output. If the input change is 10%, that time output will be also changed 10%. So this is the linear characteristics. What is the equal percentage? We have decided the percentage of the valve from input to output. That time the characteristic is known as the equal percentage. And in the quick opening, whenever the input is applied, we can get the fast response of the output. So the characteristic details we have studied in the next session, but in the single seated valve we can generate three types of characteristic: equal percentage, linear and quick opening. And last one is the leak proof packing are available on request. Here we can also use the packing in the control valve. If the leakage is generated, so we can connect the packing for the leak proof on the request, means on the system requirement. So this is the single seated globe valve. Now in the next session we have studied about the double seated globe valve and three-way globe valve, the working of the double seated globe valve and the working and operation of the double seated globe valve. Thank you everyone. If anyone have doubt, then contact me in this email ID.